In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Cloudways and Cloudflare for a faster, more secure website. A lot of people compare these two platforms as if they do the same job, but they really don't. Cloudways is where your application actually runs. It gives you the managed cloud server environment that powers your website. Cloudflare, on the other hand, sits in front of your site. It handles DNS, adds a layer of security, blocks malicious traffic, and helps deliver cached content quickly from edge locations around the world. When used together, they create a strong setup for both performance and protection. Before connecting anything, it helps to understand how traffic flows. Think of Cloudways as the building where your website lives and works. That's where your files, database, and server processes are running. Cloudflare acts like the protective checkpoint outside that building. Visitors reach Cloudflare first, and then Cloudflare decides what to cache, what to filter, and what should be forwarded to your Cloudways server. To begin, open your browser and go to cloudways.com. Sign into your dashboard, then open the applications area and choose the website you want to connect. This could be a WordPress site or a custom PHP application. Once you're inside, locate and copy the public server IP address. You'll need that in the next part. Now open a new tab and go to cloudflare.com. Sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. Add your domain. Choose the free plan if that fits your needs, and let Cloudflare scan your existing DNS records. In the DNS section, add a new A record. Use the root symbol for the name field, then paste in the Cloudways server IP address. Make sure the proxy setting is enabled so the traffic goes through Cloudflare's protection layer, then save the record. Next, Cloudflare will provide 2 name servers for your domain. Copy those, then log in to your domain registrar and replace the current name servers with the ones Cloudflare gives you. This step gives Cloudflare control over your DNS routing. If you want a simpler route, Cloudways also offers a built-in Cloudflare option. Inside your Cloudways application panel, open the Cloudflare section, enter your root domain, and activate it. This can enable Cloudflare-powered optimizations without manually changing name servers at your registrar, which is especially useful if you want a more streamlined setup. Whichever path you choose, go back to Cloudways and open domain management. Enter your live domain and set it as the primary domain so your application knows exactly which address to respond to. Finally, do a quick validation check. Review your Cloudflare dashboard, your Cloudways SSL settings, and your routing status to make sure the domain is resolving correctly, protection is active, and everything is pointed where it should be. Once that's done, your Cloudways server and Cloudflare Edge network will be working together as one optimized system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.